scared of my Morgana too.
They're scared of my Morgana. Shut up.
Hey, they're scared of my Morgana.
You're AD carry. You can't play Morgana.
Today, no holo holo, no nom nom nom, no. You know, I'm really famous or nothing like this.
I have to think about that.
The Danish flag fell from the sky during a war in like the 1600s.
And then we won.
It empowered us.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. TSM!
Don't. He's fine, guys. We'll get late game, okay? Don't chill. Don't worry.
It's fine. It's only one best of 5.
He's fine, guys. It's just the first game, okay?
It's fine.
He's fine. Yeah.
Marry that girl. Marry her anywhere. Perfect.
Shut up, Zhao.
Perfect.
Wow, why are you gonna be so rude?
Don't you know you meant to?
Final, guys.
Calm down.
Yeah. After game, we
can
jump into the air.
we can everything.
Please don't throw. Please don't get caught.
I got Lucian.
Okay, we can Baron. Yo, come Baron.
Run, boss.
Run, boss.
Good job, boss.
They're going on me.
Are you okay?
Maybe not. I think I can do a lot of damage here.
Severe's not here yet. I'm looking to Homeguard TP soon.
Okay, yeah. Homeguard TP on this.
I'm doing it, dude.
Wow, you can win this. You can win this so hard. Okay. Keep him in.
Baron.
What?
Oh, wow. Wow, that's
Is that destroying?
How much amount? I can't touch that. Set, nice. Rek'Sai is dead. Shimana is dead too.
Corki!
Good job.
That's how we do it! I love you guys. I just love you.
Make sure you wait after the game to jump into the air. It's really important you don't jump while in the middle of it, and then you're gonna
Nobody throw.
Please don't get caught. We're up like 10K gold at 20 minutes, please. That'd be such a heartbreaking game 5 to lose. One of the worst probably ever. Anyway, guys, forget about